Want to know how to unmatch with someone in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your Cupid application and make sure you are logged in. Now once you're logged in, you should be provided with this interface. And once you're provided with that interface, just simply hit towards chats right here. Now once that is done, click on any user or anyone that you've matched with. Now on the top right, you can see 3 dots. Simply click on it. And once you're there, you should be your matched person's profile viewing. So right here on the bottom, you can see this cross icon. Just simply click on it. Once you've done that, there will be a dialog box. Now simply click confirm, and there you have it. You have been successfully unmatched in OkCupid. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.